Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Kinematic pair. Question number 26. In 4-bar chain, A. All pair is sliding pair. B. All pair is turning pair. C. One turning pair and rest are sliding pair. D. One sliding pair and rest are turning pair. All pair is turning pair. Question number 27. The Gruber's criterion for determining the degree of freedom n of the mechanism having the plane motion when L is the number of the link, J equal to number of the joint. N option A, n equal to L minus 1 minus J. B, n equal to 2 L minus 1 minus 2J. C, n equal to 3 L minus 1 minus 2J. D, n equal to 4 L minus 1 minus 3J. C, n equal to 3 L minus 1 minus 2J. Question number 28. A simple mechanism has A link, B 2 link, C 3 link, D 4 link. Minimum number of link 4 link. Question number 29. In a machine, if mechanical advantage is and the velocity ratio Vr and the efficiency eta equal to, then n equal to efficiency equal to velocity ratio by mechanical advantage. B, efficiency equal to mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. C, efficiency equal to mechanical advantage into velocity ratio. D, mechanical advantage minus 1 by velocity ratio. B, efficiency equal to mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. For actual machine, this is less than 1. Question number 30. Squash joke mechanism is an inversion of A. Single slider crank chain, B. Double slider crank chain, C. 4-bar chain, D. None of the above. B. Double slider crank chain. Question number 31. Which of the following is an example of a sliding pair? A. Square bar in a square hole. B. When rolling on a flat surface. C. A shaft with collar in a circular hole. D. A solid cylinder bar inside a hollow shaft. B. When rolling on a flat surface. Sorry, rolling pair, sliding pair বলেছে না, rolling pair তো rolling roller তাহলে rolling pair. Square bar in a square hole, this is the sliding pair. Square bar is a square hole. Slide. Question number 32. The process of the fixing different links of a kinematic chain one at a time to produce destined mechanism is called A. Kinematic inversion, B. Kinematic coupling, C. Kinematic structuring, D. Kinematic acceleration. Kinematic inversion A. Question number 33. A Scott-Russell mechanism consists of A. Turning pair only, B. Rotary pair only, C. Sliding and turning pair, D. Turning and rotary pair, C. Sliding and turning pair. Question number 34. Identify the lower pair from following: A. Piston and cylinder, B. Cam and follower, C. Ball bearing, D. Gear and piston. Lower pair are surface contact, piston and cylinder. Question number 35. Which mechanism produces the mathematically exact straight line motion? A. Watt's mechanism, B. Poiseuille's mechanism, C. Ackermann mechanism, D. Grasshopper mechanism, B. Poiseuille's mechanism. Question number 36. The condition for the correct steering for a Davis steering gear where A. Alpha equal to angle of inclination of the link to the vertical, B. Wheelbase, C. Distance between the pivots of the front axle is A. Sin alpha equal to B by C, B. Cos alpha equal to C by B, C. Tan alpha equal to C by 2B, D. Cot alpha equal to C by 2B, C. Tan alpha equal to C by 2B. Question number 37. An automobile steering gear is an example of A. Higher pair, B. Roller pair, C. Lower pair, D. Sliding pair. C. Roller pair. Question number 38. How many instantaneous center of rotation in a slider crank mechanism? A. 3, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. Instantaneous center I equal to 4 into n minus 1 by 2, where n is the number of link. In a slider crank mechanism, number of link is 4. So n equal to 4. 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2. 3 uh, 2 sorry 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 6. So 6, option C. Question number 39. Chemnitz theorem states that if three rigid links have the plane motion, their instantaneous center lies on A. Triangle, B. A point, C. A straight line, D. None of the above. C. A straight line. Question number 40. What is the total number of inversion possible for the slider crank mechanism? In a slider crank mechanism, number of link is 4. So we know that number of link equal to number of inversions. Option C. Question number 41. Degree of freedom of structure is A 0, B 1, C greater than 0, D greater than 2. A 0. Question number 42. The number of instantaneous center for 8 link kinematic chain is A 15, B 16, C 24, D none of these above. D none of these above. 8 link, so number of instantaneous center, sorry, number of instantaneous center 4 into n minus 1, 8 minus 1 by 2, 4, 7, 7 by 4, 14. 14 is the answer. So none of this is the correct. गलती से कर दिया था but none of this is the correct. Question number 43. The number of links in a pantograph mechanism is equal to S2, B3, C4, D5, C4. Question number 44. In a 4-bus chain mechanism, there are 4 links and 4 turning pairs. If one of the link is fixed, the degree of freedom of mechanism is A1, B2, C3, D6. We know that the degree of freedom F equal to 3 n minus 1 minus 2j minus h. There is no higher pair, so h is the 0. Number of join is for the turning pair. Number of join is 4. 4 to 8 minus 8. There is a 4 minus 1. Number of link 4. 4 minus 1 3. 3 to 9. 9 minus 1 equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1. 1 is the right answer. Question number 45. Quick return mechanism is used in A. Milling machine, B. slaughter, C. Universal lathe machine, D. Hooks coupling, B. slaughter. Question number 46. Scotch yoke mechanism is used to generate A. Inversions, B. Square roots, C. Logarithms, B. Sine function. A. Inversions. It is a inversions, but it generate sine function. Note it. Question number 46. It is also in inversion, but it's generate sine function. Option D is the right. Question number 47. The driving and the driven shaft connected by a Hooks joint will have equal speeds if A. Cos theta equal to sin alpha, B. Sin theta equal to root over tan alpha, C. Tan theta equal to plus minus root over cos alpha, D. Cot theta equal to cos phi, C. Tan theta equal to plus minus root over cos phi. Question number 48. A planar mechanism has the 8 links and the 10 rotary joints. The number of degree of freedom of the mechanisms using the Gribler's creation is A0, B1, C2, D3. We know that degree of freedom F equal to 3n minus 1 minus 2j. हायर पेयर नहीं है इसलिए कैंसिल आउट कर रहा हूँ. सो नंबर ऑफ जॉइंट इज 8 10 number of joint and number of link is 8 3 8 minus 1 7 minus 2 into 10 20. 21 minus 21. Degree of freedom is 1. Option A is the right answer. Sorry, option B is the right answer 1.